Floyd. This is Floyd. So it all began when Floyd got his kite stuck in a tree. Leaves branches. He tried pulling and swinging, but it wouldn't come unstuck. The trouble really began when he threw his favorite shoe to knock the kite loose. Leaves branches. And that got stuck too. Then he threw up his other shoe to knock down his favorite shoe. Leaves branches. And unbelievably, that got stuck as well. In order to knock down his other shoe, Floyd fetched Mitch. Mitch was his family's pet. Leaves branches. Cats get stuck in trees all the time, but this was getting ridiculous. Then Floyd fetched a ladder. He was going to sort this out once and for all. And his branches up, he threw it. I'm sure you can guess what happened. The ladder was borrowed from a neighbor and would definitely need to be put back before anyone noticed. And in order to do so, Floyd flying a bucket of paint at it. Leaves branches. And wouldn't you know, the bucket of paint got stuck. Then Floyd tried a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Leaves branches to knock down the bucket of paint. A chair. Leaves branches to knock down the duck. His friend's bicycle. Ding 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 ding. Leaves branches to knock down the chair. The kitchen sink. Leaves branches to knock down his friend's bicycle. The front door. To knock down the kitchen sink. Leaves branches. The family car. Vroom, 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 vroom. To knock down the front door. Leaves branches. The milkman. I bring the milk, I bring the milk. Leaves branches to knock down the family car. Orangutan. To knock down the milkman. Leaves branches. A small boat. Leaves branches to knock down the orangutan. A big boat. Leaves branches to knock down the small boat. A rhinoceros. To blurry. These branches to knock down the rhinoceros. The house across the street. Oh my God, flying is so strong! These branches to knock down the long-distance lorry. A lighthouse. Light passing. Light passing. Light passing. These branches to knock down the house no longer across the street. A curious whale. I am the whale. These branches to knock down the lighthouse. And they all got stuck. A fire engine was passing and heard all the commotion. Firemen stopped to see if they could help at all. Can we help at all? Said one of the firemen to Floyd. And up they went. First the fire engine. Its branches followed by the firemen, one by one. Oh my God! Its branches. No! Its branches. And there they stayed between the orangutan and one of the boats. Firemen would definitely be noticed missing, and Floyd knew that he was going to be in big trouble. Then he had an idea and went to find a sword. He lined it up as best he could and hurled it up the tree. Leaves, branches, and that was it. There was no more room left in the tree, and the kite came and stuck. Leaves, branches. Floyd was delighted. He had forgotten all about his kite and put it to use immediately, enjoying the rest of his day very, very, very much. That night, Floyd fell asleep exhausted. But before he did, he could have sworn there was something really important he was forgetting. Step on a T bends, and this is how my story ends.